Hey guys, David with Faraday Preppers here. Here to talk to you today about the Sawyer mini water filtration system. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Did a little bit of research on it. It filters up to 100,000 gallons. This thing cost me about 24 bucks. You probably find it cheaper elsewhere. My initial impression of it is it feels like it's built a little bit more solid than perhaps like a Life Straw, things like that. My initial impressions, as far as like a downside to it, it's got a lot of parts to it. However, the parts does make it seem like it's a little bit easier to use. For example, you have the water filter, which is significantly smaller than the Life Straw. It comes with a pouch that you can fill up water that has not been filtered yet. So you can fill it up in a stream, a river, fill it up in a lake, whatever. You put water in it. It's also got a straw. And then it's also got a cleaning plunger, so you can clean out your water filter. Like I said, it cleans out 100,000 gallons comparatively to the Life Straw. The Life Straw only filters out 264 gallons, so it filters out a significant more amount than the Life Straw. You also are able to attach the filter directly to the pouch, and you're able to, once this pouch is filled, you can suck the water directly through the filter out of the pouch. As it goes through the filter, it becomes clean. One of the other pluses to the Sawyer mini water filtration system, it cleans down to 0.1 micron compared to the Life Straw, where the Life Straw cleaned down to 0.3 microns. So it does get the water cleaner. It is able to get more of the bacteria, more of the protozoa, more of the cholera, things like that. Again, it still doesn't filter out the chemicals and things like that that can be washed out into a stream in the case of like an EMP, but it will do a significant more amount than the Life Straw. There is more parts. You still have the same problems as far as it can, after you filter things through it and it drops down to freezing temperatures, it is likely to break and not work anymore. Also, this pouch, I doubt the pouch will last a super long time. So those are just some of my initial impressions of it. It costs virtually almost the same amount as the Life Straw. I would probably have both of these products, but I also wouldn't use this as my main source of water. Generally, when I've been out backpacking and things like that, staying out in the wilderness for a long time, I like to have an actual pump water source to keep around for a long time. But this would be a great thing when you're going around like on a day hike. So again, this is the Sawyer mini water filtration system. It's got a few more parts to it than the Life Straw. It's virtually about the same price. Filters out a lot more water. Gets and cleans down to a smaller micron than the Life Straw does. I think it's a great product. I'll definitely throw it in my bug out bag. Thanks, guys.